Hi. In this video, we will see how warranty expiry date is set for items sold in simpliRP. Go to Enter warranty expiry of invoiced items. Select the invoice number. You can see the items invoiced in that invoice. Select the expiry dates. Just update expiry against each expiry. That's it. See how simple it is to set expiry of items sold. You can now go to List of warranty expiry dates of invoiced items. Please select the warranty expiry date range. simpliRP will show all the items going to expiry in the selected date range. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your sales department. Thank you.